I'm PamOnSunset, and today we're testing mac and cheese egg rolls. Get excited! OMG! We hit 30,000 subscribers this weekend! Woo! Thanks so much for all of your support. If you're not part of the Pam already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's make some mac and cheese. Today's YouTube inspiration is Grace Helbig. Now, she's not a DIY goddess, and usually I try and test recipes from DIY goddess type people, but she's hilarious, and she made these like 6 months ago, and ever since she made them, I'm like, I actually want to try those! For today's tutorial, you need egg rolls, spring roll wrappers, an egg, oil, mac and cheese, I'm following her, and then for the mac and cheese, you need butter and milk. I'm allergic to dairy, so I have never made this box of mac and cheese. So even though the first step that Grace did seems fairly simple for most people, is to follow the instructions on the side. I've never done this before, so bear with me. The first step is to boil 6 cups of water. The next step is to stir in the macaroni and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Then you drain and add the margarine or butter, milk, and cheese sauce mix. Whoa, that's orange. That's the color that I have never seen in cheese nature. Okay, so our mac and cheese is done. The next step that Grace did was to fill up her egg rolls. But first, I'm gonna beat this egg. And because it'll help seal up the edge of the wrapper, according to the directions. So I'm gonna take this, put it in a diamond, and fill it with the mac and cheese. I'm just gonna use my finger with this egg. Is that unsanitary? I don't know. And I'm gonna roll it. Wait, how do you do the ends? 2 side corners over the filling. And going. Oh, look, it's an egg roast. I did it! I'm gonna fill up my pan with some oil. I think this is all I'm gonna be able to fit in my pan, so the next step is to put these egg rolls in some oil. Let's go. I'm a little scared I'm gonna burn myself with some splash here. Whew, okay. These are looking pretty good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They look delicious. I can only have a little tiny bite of this because there's still dairy in it. So I'm enlisting the help of... It's Alex Clark for the taste test.
Professional dairy eater.
This is my favorite part. 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
It's like fried carb-ness.
I love this.
You
know what you should do? You should put pepperonis inside it too. Mm.
Wait, I gotta take one more bite. Look at that cream.
Whew, I'm crying. It's so beautiful.
Are you eating 2 at a time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these are good.
Ready? I'm gonna bite it.
Oh! Oh! Here's the real deal on this DIY. Tip number 1. I would put the egg wash on the edges that you're folding over. One of them did fly open like a little bit, but it was okay. But you should probably just put the egg wash everywhere. Tip number 2, the very first rolls that you do should be like kind of really tight. And then once you fold the corners over, you can go a little bit looser. Tip number 3, make sure you let these cool completely. When we were eating them, they were a little bit hot. I had already let them cool for like 5 minutes, but I would maybe wait a couple more, but don't wait too long because they're freaking delicious. Overall, this is worth it! I think this is actually a really good DIY to do with like smaller children. Like I know my nieces like to cook in the kitchen with me, and there's a lot of like steps that they could do, like the rolling and stuff, that might be really fun for them. Again, I'd like to thank all 30,000 plus of you who are part of the Pam fam. If you're not and you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're super cool, awesome people. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter for more social media updates. We make new videos here every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure you come back.
This one's for you. I wouldn't eat this, but since you're not here, I want to eat one in your honor. Otherwise, because you know, diet.
Only if you hit the like button. Okay.